The AUTO-VOX solar wireless backup camera is remarkably easy to install, requiring only a screwdriver and taking just 3 minutes, eliminating the need for complex wiring or drilling. Equipped with a solar panel and a high-capacity battery, this backup camera offers extended battery life and can be charged via USB when sunlight is insufficient. This camera ensures a stable and strong signal up to 33 feet, providing clear and vivid images on a 5-inch monitor both day and night without any lag. With 6 adjustable parking guidelines, it makes parking in tight spots a breeze, as you can customize the camera's view to suit your vehicle's needs. Boasting an IP69K waterproof rating, the camera remains functional in heavy rain or car washes and performs well in extreme temperatures ranging from -4 to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. The AUTO-VOX wireless backup camera is versatile and suitable for a variety of vehicles, including cars, trucks, trailers, and vans, offering reliable assistance wherever needed.